we are going to use only if or I wish, okay? We generally use this when we are talking about something that is not what actually happens, okay? For example, it says, I wish, or if only, plus the past simple, okay? It is used to talk about a present situation and say how you would like reality to be different. Here we have two examples. I wish I had more time to study English, or if only I didn't have to work on the weekend. Okay? So in these two examples, we can see that we are talking about the present. Okay? It means, the first one means that this person doesn't have time to study English, right? So this person is very busy. Okay? So this person said, this girl says, I wish I had more time to study English. Me gustaría tener más tiempo para estudiar inglés. Okay, and this one, if only I didn't have to work on the weekend. Okay, esto significa que esta persona sí tiene que trabajar el fin de semana. Si tan solo no tuviera que trabajar el fin de semana. Okay, so, como pueden ver, estas dos situaciones expresan algo que nos gustaría que sea diferente en la realidad. Okay? And we can use I wish or only, if only, with the past simple. But remember, we are talking about a present situation. We are not talking about the past. Okay? I want you to write your own sentences with this. I wish with the past simple or if only. Okay? Think about your ideas, think about your own examples, and then we are going to share them. Okay? I'm going to give you a minute. Let's start with Rosie. Tell me, please, what is your sentence?
Only have one sentence. I wish I had more vacation days.
Okay, more days, more vacation days? Okay, thank you. What about you, Percy?
If only I didn't have afternoon school classes to go for a run.
To go?
For a run.
To go around. Okay, yes. Remember that you can change the verb here, okay? You can choose another verb to use. Let's go with Maria Celeste. What are your sentences?
I wish the pandemic ended to go out without face mask.
Okay, I wish the pandemic ended. Very good. En ese caso, su compañera ya no está utilizando I, sino su sujeto es the pandemic, right? Very good. Carlos?
I wish I had a new cell phone. If only I had more money, I will buy a new cell phone.
Okay. Rafael?
Okay. I wish I have more free time to read new books. And I try more in my house. I will be a healthy person.
If only I trained.
More in my house, I would be a healthy person.
Healthy person. Okay, Renata, what about you?
I wish I had more time to go out with my friends.
Very good. Anybody else who wants to read the sentence?
Me, teacher.
Okay, please.
Me, teacher.
Okay.
I wish I had more time for myself. If only I could get up earlier, I could do many things in the morning.
Very good. Nicole?
Okay. I wish I had more time to sleep. If only I didn't have to present my homework tomorrow.
to present my homework tomorrow. Okay, very good. Good ideas. Okay, here I have two more sentences. I wish it were Saturday, or I wish it was Saturday. Which of these sentences do you think is correct?
Both.
Both are
is it
correct.
where?
Both sentences are correct, right? Okay, we can use I wish I were, or I wish I was, I wish it were, I wish it was, or with she or he. Okay, remember it's exactly the same rule like in the conditionals. Okay, so but this one is more informal. I wish it was Saturday is more informal. Okay, so you can use any of them. I wish I, he, she, or it were, or I wish I, he, she, or it was. Any of them is correct. Okay, let's see here the examples in the book. Here we have it says, look at the words in italics and answer the questions. For example, we have the first one, if only there wasn't so much noise. And B, if I wish I could concentrate better. Okay, so number one, which speaker expresses a desire? And what is the problem in each case? Which speaker expresses a desire? What do you think? ¿Cuál de los dos expresa un deseo?
B.
B.
B, okay. Both of them express a desire. Okay, so we can express our desire with if only or with I wish, with both expressions, okay? So what is the problem in the first one? If only there wasn't so much noise. What is the problem here?
The noise is
The
annoying.
noise. There is so much noise, right? This is the problem. What about this one? Now, B. What is the problem in B?
The lack of concentration.
The lack of concentration. This person is very distracted, right? Let's go to question number 2. What does the speaker want in each case for the situation to be the same or different? The speaker wants the situation to be the same or different. What do you think?
The same.
They want the situation would be different.
Different. This person wants that this situation could change, right? Is his or her desire. Okay? Are the desired situations in the past, in the present, or in the future?
In the present.
In the present or in the future, okay? So remember, we use only if or wish when we are talking about the present or the future, okay? We would like this situation to change in the present or in the future, okay? Let's complete the grammar panel. If only and I wish. We use I wish or if only to talk about how you would like the situation to be. To be what?
Different.
Different, right? Different from reality. For example, I'm shy and I want the situation to change. What can I say? What can I say here? I wish ¿Qué podría ser? I weren't. I wish I weren't like that. O también podríamos decir I wish ¿Qué otra opción tenemos por acá?
Wasn't.
I wasn't like that. Both are possible, right? I wish I wasn't like that. Very good. People make it difficult. This is my situation here. People make it difficult. If only they
Made it easier.
made it easier, right? Made it easier. Okay, very good. Let's go to the next part. We use the simple to describe the imaginary situation. What tense do we use?
Past.
Past simple, right? We use the past simple to describe the imaginary situation. This tense does not refer to the past. It refers to
Present.
present, right? Present or future. Here we can say, I wish I was, or we can say, I wish I were. Cualquiera de las dos opciones es correcta, como habíamos dicho anteriormente. I wish I was, or I wish I were. Okay, I wish I was is more informal. Okay, very good. Any questions until here? Let's move on. Go to the page 150. Page 150. And we are going to practice a little bit with exercise 11.2. Complete the sentences with an appropriate form of the verb in parentheses. Number 1, I wish I
Could.
could. Very good. I wish I could speak Japanese. If only I
New.
knew. If only I knew how to play the guitar. I wish I
Were.
Was.
were or was.
Were.
Any of them. Taller. If only I
Had.
had a car. I wish it
Were.
was or were. Any of them, right? Okay. Look again at the sentence. What is the real situation in each case? Why do you think the speaker wants to change the situation? Okay, for example, for the first sentence, I wish I could speak Japanese. What is the situation? The real situation.
He or she can't speak Japanese.
She or he can't speak Japanese. Why do you think this person wants to change this situation?
Because he wants to travel to Japan, right?
Maybe she or he wants to travel to Japan, right? Okay. What about situation number 2? If only I knew how to play the guitar. What is the real situation in this sentence?
He or she don't know how to play the guitar.
He or she doesn't know how to play the guitar, right? Why does this person want to play the guitar? What do you think? What could be the reason?
Part of a band.
Maybe he or she wants to be part of a band, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. I wish I was or I were taller. What is the real situation here, Juan Pablo?
She or he wish I
What is the real situation? What about you, Karen? What do you think? What is the real situation here in number 3?
He or she is small.
Is small, right? So why do you think this person wants to change this situation? Sebastián. Why this person wants to be taller?
No, teacher.
But imagine why. Imagine the reason. What do you think, Renata? Why this person wants to change the situation?
I don't know, maybe he or she wants to play basketball, but she is small.
Yes, could be the reason. Or maybe he or she wants to be a supermodel, right? That's why this person wants to be taller, right? Number 4, Rafael, tell me, what is a real situation in sentence number 4?
She or he don't drive a car.
Doesn't have a car. He or
Doesn't
she
drive a
doesn't
car.
have a car, right? Rosie, why do you think this person wants to change this situation?
Maybe he don't want he or she doesn't want to lose time using public transportation to work.
Very good idea. Yes, could be. Celeste, number 5, I wish it was or it were warm and sunny. What is the real situation here in number 5, Maria Celeste?
Because the weather is cold.
The weather is cold. Why does this person want to change this situation?
Because she or he want to go to the beach.
Maybe because she or he wants to go to the beach, right? Very good. So remember, we use I wish or if only when the situation is not the one that we want and we want to change this situation, okay? Any questions until here?